हाय दिस इज तुषार रमनन फ्रॉम 99 वर्कआउट सीजन 2। जैसे हम हर एक एपिसोड में एक नए गेस्ट को लेकर आते हैं और उनकी एक अद्भुत कहानी होती है, आज भी हम ये एपिसोड में एक स्पेशल गेस्ट को मैं लेकर आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं आपको इनके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहूँगा। मैं इनको मिला था कुछ करीब 4-5 साल हो गए, और इसकी भी एक कहानी कैसे हम लोग मिले थे। और जैसे आपको पता है कि ये एपिसोड में हम ऐड करते हैं उन लोगों को, स्पेशली उनको इनवाइट करते हैं जिनका मेन प्रोफेशन अलग होता है, लेकिन फिटनेस कहीं ना कहीं ये अपने दिनचर्या में फिट करते हैं। और ये कैसे करते हैं आज हम पता करेंगे हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट सोनल। हाय सोनल, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। इट्स very difficult to catch hold of her because she's handling a huge network of restaurants, and we'll discuss about it. So Sonal, shall we go and have a seat and
Yes,
then we talk
please.
about it?
Please. So Tushar, let's sit here for a coffee.
Thank you so much, Sonal. My pleasure to be at this place. I do frequent this place in Goregaon Park in Pune. आज हम यहाँ पे हैं Sonte Spa Cuisine. Believe me, if you haven't been here, you miss something. I mean, if you are in Pune and if you are a health freak for sure, यहाँ तो बनता ही आना. Like if you see the whole menu and things like, it's very unique. So tell me something. जब ये spa word आता है, so don't people get confused, like into a massage thing or something to do with water?
They absolutely get confused. हमको कितने लोग पूछते अच्छा इधर खाने के साथ spa भी होता है क्या? I'm like no. Spa cuisine means as you have this Italian cuisine, Chinese cuisine. Spa cuisine is like a regenerating food.
Right.
It really cleanses you from within.
Okay.
It's like that.
So tell me something, Sonal. Is there a background? Are you from the food industry or something like that? How did you come up with this unique concept?
So I am from a military hostel since my childhood.
Oh.
And I was super disciplined with my workouts, running, horse riding, karate, taekwondo, all these things. And when I came to Pune after I got married, of course, there was no good restaurant. I mean, it's sorry to say there is no good restaurant. It was not for me.
Right.
I mean, when I went, I always came up with an upset stomach because I couldn't take those gravies, the North Indian food, and also only thing I would go and eat is South Indian stuff.
Okay.
And I was always eating. I was always into a good eating habits because
Right.
we are from a military hostel.
Right.
Then I thought, why not and the Indian ingredients like jawar, bajra, nachni, all these are missing in the menu wherever the restaurants are. And then I thought, why not inculcate all these Indian ingredients, give them a continental look, and start a restaurant. There was always a dream to serve good food to people.
Oh, wow.
So that is how the idea came in, and then it was like a big journey. Every day morning I used to leave home and start searching for chefs. Because दूर दूर से ना मेरे mom के side ना मेरे husband के side कोई भी restaurant line नहीं है.
अच्छा.
And I am a CA from my profession. So
Oh, wow.
दूर दूर से कोई हमारा restaurant से connection ही नहीं है. और अच्छा हम लोग बाहर बहुत खाते भी नहीं हैं. इसीलिए I don't even know much about food. What I know is only about this kind of food. So I don't know if you really ask me about non-vegetarian, liquor, I don't understand all that because
Okay.
I don't drink.
Wow.
And of course we are pure vegetarians, so I don't eat non-veg.
Right.
So what I understand is only health aspect of the food.
Okay.
And that was somewhere missing. So when I started 6 years back, there were no health food restaurants in India.
Right.
We were, you can say we were pioneers, and we were the first ones to start this kind of restaurant.
Right. तो आपने सुना सोनल की कहानी, ये बेसिकली हैं चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बैकग्राउंड की, और इनका दूर दूर तक कोई भी रिश्ता नहीं है रेस्टोरेंट या फूड इंडस्ट्री के साथ, लेकिन आज इन्होंने एक ये इतने नियरली आई थिंक यू हैव गॉट 6 to 7 आउटलेट्स. ओके. सो 6 से 7 आउटलेट्स हैं और बड़ा यूनिक इनका मेन्यू भी है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मैं खुद ही वेजिटेरियन हूँ, तो ये मेरे लिए
Oh,
बहुत
wow,
ही अच्छा
you're
है.
vegetarian?
हाँ जी.
Wow.
So tell me something. Next question to you is, have you limited your audience by making it only like a vegetarian place? Do you think so?
I don't think so because there is a huge crowd which is vegetarian. Like see, especially the Madu Guju crowd who spends
Right.
and they are like vegetarian.
Right.
So I don't miss out that I don't have non-vegetarian food.
Right.
I'm happy to serve only vegetarian.
Right.
And I would love to serve only vegetarian.
Okay.
So we have, of course, gluten-free, keto food,
Right.
vegan food. So we have these categories, but of course everything is vegetarian.
So how would you place your menu? Like in a full-fledged meal section, or like a hangout kind of sessions, snacking around?
No,
kind of
it's
thing?
not hangout for sure.
Okay.
It's not hangout.
Okay.
We have all courses.
Okay.
We have appetizers, salads, pizzas, and main course, substantial.
Okay.
So of course, it's like a fine dining restaurant.
Okay.
It's not a cafe and a hangout
Yeah,
place.
I
for
have
sure.
to. I have to surely mention this. हम मिले कैसे?
I know.
I don't know whether you remember not. मैं एक food award show में बैठा था पुणे में one of the hotels, and there was a seat next to me. It was a totally packed,
Oh yeah.
And there was a seat next to me. I kind of knew you might not remember this.
I know.
And
know
this beautiful lady comes and she just asked me if the seat is empty, and I said yes, and she sat next to me.
I just started Sante.
Yes,
I mean,
yes, yes,
Sante
yes.
was, I think, just 4 months old.
Yes.
And I was being invited for
Right.
the award function.
Right.
Though I had, I mean, you need to be 1 year old to get an award.
Exactly.
So I was just invited for the award function,
Right.
but I had no award. then.
So we got introduced. That's how I came to know that she's opening a nice place in Korega Park, and she invited me, and I was not anywhere related to that industry, but I was invited as a guest. Kind of appreciating everyone's award, what they've got, and she ended up. Next year, I think you got the award from there.
Since then, we have been
Yes,
getting-
since then. So this place has been winning awards from the same show, from the same people, like continuously for the last 5-6 years.
6 years, yes,
right?
yes.
So tell me something. Now you're branched out from Pune into other big cities, and would you say that you have a lot of competition, or in this particular
Yes.
menu sector,
Yes.
like the kind of
Yeah, 6 years back there was no competition, but
Right.
now when I see, I mean, in food sector, in restaurant sector, everybody is trying to have at least one section of their menu as health food.
Okay.
So everybody is evolved
Right.
because veganism has come big
Right.
time, and
Right.
then everybody wants to keep one section of their menu as vegan, healthy options,
Right.
so that whoever is health freak, at least they can have that.
Right.
So I see a lot of
एक
competition.
जो सवाल जो अभी जो लोग पूछना चाहेंगे फॉर श्योर इस जब हम ऑर्गेनिक फूड हेल्थ फूड के बारे में बात करते हैं तो उसका प्राइस टैग थोड़ा ऊपर चला जाता है
थोड़ा सा.
सो यू थिंक इट रियली gets into very segmental people who would like to be coming here, something like that?
See, but then if you compare Sante prices, they're not very high.
Okay.
We are trying to match the prices with the market.
Right.
We are not very high because the purpose is not only earning. Of course, I'll be not doing a social
Yeah.
service. I am here to earn. I am
Right.
an entrepreneur. But then I am also trying to serve good food to people.
Right.
So it's not that only earning is my motto.
Right.
My passion is also to serve good food. That's why we're trying to match the competitive rates of market. They're not very expensive. If you see like our pizzas, they're multi-grain with loads of vegetables, paneer, and good quality cheese.
Right.
We sell it at 480. But then otherwise, if you go to any place, the pizzas are still at 480 and above, in fact.
Right.
So we're trying to match the prices. We're
Right.
not selling it exorbitant.
So Sunil also is actively involved इनके 5-6 बड़े-बड़े restaurants हैं in a lot of metro cities. But one very important thing is she finds time to exercise. मैं आपके काफी Instagram posts देखता हूँ, cycling and
Yeah.
working out in the gym. So how do you fit this? How important is fitness for you?
यार, as I told you कि I have grown in a military hostel.
Right.
So आप समझ सकते हो कितना कूट के हमारे में भरा होता है. आपको
Right.
पता है मिलिट्री में तुम जाते हो तो they just change your mindset.
Right.
Subconsciously, consciously, they change and train your mindset that this is what life is all about.
Right.
And I've been trained for workout so much that I can't imagine my life without my workout.
Okay.
Every day morning. Now one more addition what has come to me is a touch of spirituality.
Okay.
So I wake up at 4:30ish and then I meditate for half an hour, 1 hour, and then I hit the gym or I'm cycling. If I have to do cardio, my preference is always outdoor. Either I run, I do cycling, I do yoga, I do whatever, it's outdoor. And when I'm doing my weight training, it's always gym. It's like that.
Okay. So next is a slightly controversial question from what I have observed. This has got a very Italian kind of a name. Would you say that the place?
Sante is French.
French. Sorry.
Yeah.
And when I walk in, there's a Buddha
Yeah.
inside. So
Yeah.
is it to do with your personal vision, or how does it blend?
No. So I'll tell you what. Again, we wanted to keep it as Tulsi, as a very Indian name.
Okay.
But because we had Osho Ashram next door,
Okay.
we wanted to attract those people as well.
Okay.
And we wanted to sound very stylish because this is a trend, right? You people want some different name.
Right.
Lakshmi, Tulsi, all these things will sound very mediocre.
Right.
We felt that, though they're divine, they're very close to my heart, but then it has to attract, we have to sell people. So then we thought, no, let's have some different name. And that's how Sante came in. And when we found out Sante means good health, Spa Cuisine means regenerating, we took a month to name this.
Okay.
And every day we used to come, there was a board, all the people from team used to come and write one name, whichever has to come to their mind.
Okay.
Then slowly first we fixed up Spa Cuisine. And then we wanted something to relate. And again, I believe in bit numerology, Vastu and all. So everything fitted in, and
Wow.
Sante Spa Cuisine was
So
born.
you're watching 99 Workout Season 2 with Sonal. We are at Sante Spa and it's a fantastic day. And I've just caught hold of her, entrepreneur who's handling around 6 to 7 outlets by now.
Yeah, now we have recently launched La Magia.
Okay.
That's our authentic Italian restaurant.
And where is that now?
So in this place, because this is 10,000 square
Okay,
feet,
okay.
we just didn't wanted Sante to be there.
Okay.
And this was Dario's before.
Right.
And people used to come here and ask for Italian restaurant.
Okay.
We didn't want it to miss that out.
Okay.
And that's why we have La Magia and Sante. Both
So
restaurants.
you are running it as a 2 different sections.
2 different sections.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's news for us, for people who don't know. This is both at the same place.
Yeah.
My next question to Sonal is, how do you find time for your family? Like, I mean, you are fitting in your 6 centers, 7 centers, you're running around all over.
Yeah.
There's a lockdown, which is like kind of an unlockdown, which has hit the entire country like crazy. So how are you managing this phase? Is it been
Very
tough
good question.
or-
Very good
How is
question,
it?
Tushar.
Yeah.
Very good. I love to answer this. See, first thing I feel I'm blessed that I'm women.
Right.
Women have I can see in Hindi that we have a Nari Shakti.
Okay.
We have lot of capabilities to balance everything and still do things in a very smooth way. So my mom is an inspiration. She balances, she does her business, she has a boutique, and she balances family so well.
Okay.
And of course, she is an inspiration, and I try to balance the whole thing basically.
Right.
I know how to balance my family. I give them preference. At the end, what you want is to keep everyone happy, see them smiling.
Right.
So if family is happy, at the end of the day, when you go home, see happy faces, you are happy. So
Right.
when family has to be happy, the restaurant business has to take off at the pace it has to.
Right.
And then I try to balance all this.
So आपने सुना the essence of being a woman, and her inspiration is her mother, who's she shared how it runs in the family, and you can see a dynamic, confident woman whom I met her for the first time, and she's got the same energy after so many years, and I can see such beautiful energy if you visit this place, the whole feel, and I love the food here. Trust me, you should visit this place. Whenever you're in Pune and other cities like Bangalore,
Yeah.
is it Ahmedabad,
Bangalore,
other places?
Chennai, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Mumbai.
Right. So, Sonal, before we wind up, one very important question is because we are just coming into the unlockdown phase and a lot of businesses have been badly hit and things like that. What would be your one inspirational message to entrepreneurs? Because you are not from the food industry, but you made a place. You
Yes.
made a mark for yourself.
Yes.
So for a lot of people who might be losing hope right now, they want to restart and the situation is very different. So what will be a good message for all these people to sail through this phase?
Yes. First thing is never give up.
Right.
There's always a way. You have to keep your plan B ready
Okay.
and try to work on that.
Right.
So see, we can't depend on what tenants will give us benefits, how we have to handle the staff and all that stuff. You have to just have a plan B. Like we started focusing more on hampers and how we can make our takeaway better.
Right.
So we could really sustain very smoothly and we sailed off this pandemic.
Oh.
And I'm sure many people have done that. And I
Right.
never gave up. I had a lot of challenges, a lot of difficulties. For me, this is totally new.
Right.
But I never gave up. I had such a confident, positive attitude.
Right.
The positive attitude made me really be alive.
Right. So you got these golden words from an entrepreneur. Plan B and be
Yes.
positive. Like
Yeah.
all our guests on the
Optimism
show
works.
during this particular phase. एंड मैं इनको इसलिए प्रेजेंट करता हूँ कि ये रियल लाइफ पीपल हैं जो आप इनके साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, क्योंकि आपको ये हर रोज़ मिलेंगे अपने बिजनेस में. जब आओगे तो आप फ्रंट फेस में रहते हैं, क्लाइंट से मिलते हैं, सारे जो कस्टमर्स जो जितने भी लोग आते हैं इनसे मिलते हैं, और जब हम इनके बारे में सुनते हैं और उन इसमें इस दौरान ये अपना फिटनेस का भी ख्याल रखते हैं, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द प्राइम रीजंस व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस एपिसोड्स. So thank you so much, Sonal, for this amazing, narration, whatever you've given. I mean, it comes from your heart, and I'm sure people will connect from it. And of course, you should ask all the women to exercise. That's very, very important. So I want one word for all the women who are not
Yes.
exercising.
Yeah. Girls, women, please, please, please do give some time for your fitness. That is the most. See, if there is health, there is wealth. Wealth can't come without your good health. So health is the most priority what you have to give, and especially women after 40, don't ignore your health. Please, please focus and give at least half an hour every day for your health. Thank you so much, guys.
That was golden words from an amazing friend of mine, and thank you once again. So keep watching 99 Workouts, because we have some exceptional people coming soon, and the next guest is going to be equally special. Thank you so much, Sonal. We rock.
We rock, yeah.